I'll take a few pictures of Steph's flowers. And corn out there. That's the corn that was blowed down on the ground. The fig tree out there, it's trying to survive. Got to find a place to plant it where I watered the garden. See if I can't get it a little closer on it, and you can see how much is in the rain gauge. Pretty good sized little area right there. From here all the way out to the end out there. I come out here earlier today and looked around, and I seen a few little plants, and what I want to do, I told you that I would show you when we seen some starting to sprout. So I saw some, so I'm going to come out here and I'm going to try my best to get a close-up of them where you can see them, because they're minute little critters. And but I've looked good, and they ain't but 2 items that I see that's come up. So I'll bring you out here and we'll check. You might be able to see them little plants out through there. If you can, it's about more than I can do, but they're there. There's little plants out through there. I don't know how many is coming up, but there's a few. You can see the little critters right there in the center. And what those are is arugula. Now I'll go on out farther out there and we'll try to set up and see if we can't see some more out there. Okay, we'll try to see if we can't see some little plants out through there. You'll be able to see them. I can't hardly see them here on this screen, but hopefully you can see some little plants coming up out through there. Now they're little. I mean, they are little plants. And I'm having to draw them up quite a bit here. So now you can see a few little ones right there coming up kind of in the center. I mean, it's not like that they're coming up all over the garden. It's hot out here, extremely hot. But all through here is little plants. Now what I think these are is turnips. I believe that's turnips. Pretty sure it is. And I don't see, I'll look again, but I don't see anything over here coming up yet. And of course, some of these seeds that I planted, they take longer to come up. But anyway, I just wanted to show you them, where they germinate. You kindly have to remember where your rose is at when you plant a garden like this. Now I can get right here, see, I've got nothing planted out in here. But this ground out here, now it's got moisture. Let me step back. I'm gonna step back here, about right here. Cause I know right in here, there's not been no water from that sprinkler. It won't reach this far. And you can see right there where that's already started drawing moisture. So it'll draw moisture from up under the ground, and I've been aiming to come out here and dig down and show you how much soil it's made. But all this through here, it's in good shape. Anyway, That's all I got. I just wanted to show you. I'll keep you updated. That'll be it.